Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you a full guide on how to download YouTube videos. Now, at first, what you have to do is, on the top right, just click on your channel profile picture. From here, what you have to do is just go inside YouTube Studio. From YouTube Studio, what you have to do is just go to the left and go to Content. Then you will find all of your videos listed over here. Now to download it, just hover over the video, click on the Options button, then just click on Download from here. Then just give it some time, the video will download for you. Just select a place for it to download and click on Save. And there you go, the video has been downloaded. And basically that is it. And now let's see how to download a video from other users. Just go to your URL and just go to YouTube. Just wait for it to load. Then simply just find the video you want to download. For example, let's say I want to download this one. So I'll just go inside this. And from here, I'll have a download option. I'll just click download on it. And then I have option to download it at standard or low quality for free. If I'm a premium user, I can also download it for high or full HD. So whatever you have, just select that and click on download. And that will basically download your required video for you. And basically that is it. And that is how to download a YouTube video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.